Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my third and final video of decorating for the fall 2025 season. On this day, I decorated my kitchen and living room. We're going to start off by doing some light cleaning in my kitchen. I'm going to get my stovetop cleaned off. I'm going to use the Dawn Power Wash and the pumpkin spice scent. If you haven't used this stuff, I highly recommend trying it. It does really well at cleaning off grease and grime, and the pumpkin spice scent is one of my favorite scents for fall. It makes my home feel warm and welcoming. I'm also going to use the Dawn Power Wash on my countertops to get any dried food and stains off of my countertops. While I'm cleaning my counters, how's everyone been doing? I've been very busy lately, and it seems I've struggled to find the time to fit in to get my house clean and decorated for fall. But decorating for fall sets the mood for the upcoming holidays for me. So I always find time to where I can get it done. You can see my fall tree in the dining room from this angle. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description so you can see how I did that. Now it's time to get decorating. I'm going to hang some decorative towels on my stove. I'm always having to fight with my husband and my kids to leave them alone. Yeah, I'm just putting a little sign up that says it's fall, y'all. I'm going to decorate this little alcove right by the door. Put some mums in a black vase on the top shelf. Lighted a little fall candle. This is a little pumpkin pot I use to keep my dishwasher pods in right there by the sink. This year I decided I was going to put some foliage above my window. I haven't ever put anything above my window, so I wanted to see how it looked. I think I need to get some kind of twinkle lights to put up there. I think that would look good. Now I'm going to decorate the tray that I keep on my countertop. Just going to wipe it out real quick. Put a family photo. And this LED candle that I keep in my tray. Just turn it out, the timer on it, so it will automatically come on and off. I like to use candles and fairy lights to bring warmth into the house. Put some moms in my black vase. A little pumpkin that says fall. And a little orange furry pumpkin in the middle. We eat a lot of fruit around here, so I have to keep some on hand. And the pumpkin spice scent candle that I light and leave on the counter. Now it's time to decorate the top of my refrigerator. First, I'm just going to put some fall leaf picks in the little cubbies up there. Instead of putting a garland, I thought I would try that this year and see what it looked like. And I have my little wooden bowl full of pumpkins. I just put some faux pumpkins back there just that you can see through everything else. It's not a focal point, but it's just something that will catch your eye when you're looking. I'm just gonna put my little Home Sweet Home sign up, scatter a few pumpkins around, and add some twinkle light. I like to use fairy lights when I'm decorating, but the wires always get tangled, and so it usually takes me a few minutes to get it untangled so I can use them. Now we're moving into my living room. I hung some green garland underneath my TV. And first I'm going to decorate this 4-foot tree underneath my TV so that it doesn't look so bare underneath it. I'm going to hang some leaf garland in it first, and then I'll add some light. My video is a little darker here, sorry about that. I thought my light was on me more than it was. Here I am adding lights into my tree just to bring some warmth into the living room.
Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
I'm just putting a burlap bow on the top as the tree topper.
tall buildings as the chemicals
I made this bow a few years ago, so I just pack it up every year and then bring it back out when it's time to put it up.
that take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from
Now I'm just gonna plug the lights in for the garland.
the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning.
When I got the light unpacked from my bin, I didn't notice that I had the cool white lights on the tree and the warm white lights for the garland, or that the string of lights that I'd got for the garland was one of my longer strands until I had started it. And this was a long night after I'd got off work, so I just wanted to get it done this night.
The afternoon.
I will have to go back and fix that. So I was just going to work with what I had at the point and just keep going ahead.
We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep.
I don't have anything underneath my TV like a mantle or anything yet because I haven't decided exactly what I want. I don't really have that much space right there since the front door is right there by the TV. So I'm on the lookout for what I want to put there.
Never stop.
If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments.
As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from
Now I'm going to hang a leaf garland in there to bring in the fall colors.
the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be.
Once I get one garland in there, I notice that it doesn't seem full enough, so I add a second garland.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm
I'm just going to put a basket underneath here and put some warm blankets in it.
alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through
Then I'm gonna put my little sign that says "Hello, Pumpkin."
a lot of pain. Some things are not the same
Then I'm gonna move over to hang a little sign and a blanket on the couch.
as they were a year ago.
Gonna get the floor swept up real quick.
But all will be okay. I move
Then we're gonna move over to the couch and bring in some warm, fuzzy blankets just to make the living room feel cozy.
on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Add in a few throw pillows.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going live, still nobody knows, but I'ma choose
Then I'm gonna move over to the desk in our little office area.
what's right and
Hang a fall sign. And I noticed that my wall needed to be dusted a little bit. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna move on to dusting the desk so that I can finish decorating.
take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
Put a few pumpkins on the top shelf.
Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Then I'm going to use this Better Home and Garden candle in the warm leather and amber scent. And here I'm just going to show you how my kitchen and living room turned out for the fall season.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Thank you for watching.